Are you a photographer and you are struggling to showcase your photography portfolio online? So in this video I will show you how to create this modern looking photography website step by step. So let's see what we are going to create in this video. So this is the home page. As you can see, it says a logo and a menu over there. After that there is a phone number button so that people can contact with you, and then here is a hero section. Over there you can see there is a name and designation of a photographer. After that there is a service section where you can see the various photography services, for example wedding, engagement and couples. And then there should be a gallery option where you can share your works. After that there is a testimonial area where you can share your client testimonial, and then a about me section. After that a call to action. So this is the home page and this is the about page. In that about page I keep that the same content as home page, and also on service page I keep that detailed service over there, and in contact page I added some contact information, for example email, mobile number, location and some social links. And on the right side there is a form where people can contact with you. So this is the website we are going to create today. So let's get started. So this is our WordPress dashboard. As you can see, the website is currently blank. The default theme is active. So for creating the website, first of all we have to install a theme. So just click on add new and just use this theme called Extra. You can install it from here or you can also search from here. So let's install the theme first. Click on install. It will take some time to install the theme based on the internet connection. Now activate the theme. So let's go back to website, and if you click on refresh, as you can see the new theme is activated. Now click on let get started with starter template. So it will redirect to this page, and just click on classic starter templates, this one, build with it templates, and then click on Elementor. So we have to use a starter template so that our web design process will be so much faster. So I choose the first one. and you can also change the color and font family of the website. I'm going to choose this color, and you can also change the font style. I'm going to use the first one and click on continue, then click on continue, check mark this and click on submit and build my website. So it will take some time to prepare the themes, plugins and contents. So after import the contents, it will give you the congratulations message, and if you go back to this view your website, you can see the contents and everything is included. So now let's customize the website content based on our content. Now let's change our logo first. So for changing the logo and this header area, I mean menu and this button, just click on customize. Okay, so this is the backend where we can change everything like this header and footer content. So hover over this area and click that pencil icon. As you can see this logo, just click on this change image and upload your logo here. So I'm going to upload my logo. As you can see, I already prepared the content of the website like logo and other images over there. Let's upload the logo. Sorry. So logo is uploaded. Just click on choose image. As you can see, the logo is uploaded, but it's pretty much smaller. Let's increase the width. For some reason it's not working. Let's refresh. So as you can see, the logo is much bigger, but it's not showing here. Let's increase a little bit and then click on publish and refresh over there. So as you can see, the logo is much bigger. Now let's make this button and put our email over there, or we can also add our phone number. I will leave it as it is. Now let's change the home page content. As you can see, these are the pre-made design layout, and now we will change the content. So for changing the content, we have to click on edit with Elementor. Click on skip, cross this one. So this is the backend of the website. So let's change the content based on our content. So first of all, we have to change the background image. Just click on this 6 dot and go to style. So currently is image. I want to use a slider over there, so I will. You can also add videos or slideshows. So I'm going to add a slideshow of the images. Click on add, then upload files. I'll go back to my contents area. These are the images I want to show in the background. After image uploaded, I just need to click on create a new gallery and then insert gallery. As you can see, all of the images are uploaded and it's showing the slideshow. Now I want to add a effect so that it will show the smooth effect in the background. Okay, this one is perfect, and I cannot see the text, so let's add a opacity over the image. You have to go to the background overlay and increase the opacity. So I think this one is perfect. So for changing this text, you have to just hover over any of them and you have to click on over that, or you can also click on this pencil icon. So let me post my name here. Click on style and then typography. Decrease the font size, make it 24, and then remove this letter spacing. And click this heading. As you can see, the text size is much bigger. We have to decrease the font size. So for decreasing font size, click on style and then typography. Let's decrease to 60. Letter space should be removed as well, and we have to make a gap, or we can also add a line height. So I'm going to add 70. Okay, so as you can see, the negative margin over there. Let me remove this one, and this one is working fine. Let's remove this, and instead of get shaded, okay. So after making any changes, you have to just click on publish. And if you want to see the changes, just click on this icon, arrow icon, and click on view page. As you can see, the header part is ready. Now let's customize this second section, which is called our services. Go back to here again and click on that. I'm going to put a service title here. Okay, so now you can also change this color as well. So I will keep this color, and let's change these images to our service. So first of all, click on that image, I mean this pencil icon, and click on choose image. Click on upload files. So these are the images for my service. Choose this image and then click on select, and let's change to our service. For example, wedding photography. We can keep this description if you have, but I'm currently don't have any description. Let me remove that one. For this one also, click on this pencil, choose image. Now go to your media library so that you can see the existing images. So click on this one. It should be engagement photography. Remove that description. Now click on third one and click choose. Now click on this one, and it should be couple photography. Remove that description. So our second section is also done, which is service section. So every time you edit a section, just you have to click on publish so that it will save. Now go back to my website and click on refresh. So as you can see, the content is updated. Now go back to third section, which is a client testimonial. So I'm going to add a testimonial over there. Just click on that one, and I'm going to insert my testimonial here. I'm going to paste my testimonial over there. You can also change the client images. Just click on that and click on choose image, then upload. These are my clients. I'm going to use this one. I can also edit the name. The name is quite small. Let's increase the size. Click on style, then typography, and increase the font size. So as you can see, previously it was rounded and currently is square. So to use the rounded image, click on that image icon. You can also increase the size of that image over there. So I'm going to increase the size, and let's add some border radius. So I'm going to add 50. So as you can see, the image is rounded. So after add this testimonial, just click on publish so that it will save. Now go back to this section, which is about me section. So first click on this text, and instead of about us, I'm going to write about me. And let's change this description or introduction. I'm going to paste my description here. You can also add a brief description about yourself. I will keep that like that. Now click on that button, and I want to make a call to action. For example, book a session, and let's change this image. Click on that choose image. Click on upload. So let's upload my image, this one. And select. So as you can see, the image is uploaded. And now click on publish, and go back to tutorial, sorry, the website. So as you can see, this also uploaded. Now let's change this section to call to action. So to change the content on that section, just click on that 6 dot, and then click on style and choose image. So I'm going to upload this call to action image. And click on select. So this image is uploaded, but we cannot see the text because we need to add a background overlay. Click on that background overlay, and then choose the color. I'm going to choose black, and that should be 0.5. Now let's change the text. So it's not visible. Let's change the color of that font. Go to style, and then text color. I'm going to use white, and the font size is quite big. Let's decrease the size. Click on the typography and then pencil icon. Just drag to this. So it looks good. I'm going to delete that bottom text. You can just click on this left button and then click on delete. So it's deleted, and I will make this button as it is. So after make these changes, click on publish and refresh the website. So as you can see, the content is changed. Now let's change this footer. So go back to customize again. Scroll down to the bottom of that page. As you can see, if you hover over any element, you can see a pencil icon. So you can see the option. So I am not gonna use this logo in this menu because I already have this logo in above. So I just remove that logo, and then I will drag this copyright to that area, I mean the center area, then I will remove the HTML text. So as you can see, this is the copyright. Let's change the text. So I'm going to add a copyright disclaimer here. For example, so I put the text, but as you can see, this line is breaking because it's currently 3 column. So I have to make it 1 column. So make it 1 column, just click on this gear option and change the column to 1. So as you can see, it will disappear because I just make it 1 column. So don't worry. So to add this again, click on plus and click on this copyright. So as you can see, it's showing over there. So to make it center, I click on that and alignment should be center. So as you can see, the copyright text is changed. After make the changes, just click on publish and refresh the website. So the home page is done. So now if you want to show your work or add a gallery over there, how you can do that? So let's do that. Go back to this edit with Elementor again, I mean this dashboard. So I am going to add a gallery section over there. Click on that plus icon, it will show a option, then click on add new container and then click on flag box and this first one. So it will add a new container. Let's add some padding. Click on that CC dot, go back to advanced and then click on padding. I will put 120 top and 120 bottom, so it will have some space. Now let's copy this headline so that we don't have to make it again. Copy that headline and click on right button and paste. Now let's change this text to our text. Okay, I just added a new text and I also want to add this line, so I just copy and paste over there. So now let's add a gallery. Click on that element, search on basic gallery. You can click or you can drag and drop over there to show the gallery. So I just drag and drop over there. So now let's add some of my work images. Just click on plus icon, go back to upload and this is the gallery images. So I'm going to select all of them and I'm going to upload. After uploaded the images, just click on create a new gallery and then insert gallery. So as you can see, the image is currently showing too small because its image resolution is thumbnail. Let's make it full, and I want to show 3 images per column so that it will looks like that. And link should be media file, last box, yes, so that when we click this image it will show like that. So after making changes, or you can rearrange the images. For example, you can move this photo left to right to rearrange the images. After making the changes, just click on publish and refresh the page to see the content updates. Like that, you can also change any of the pages content. For example, if you want to change this about us content, you just have to let's change so that you can understand how you can change this about us service or contact page content. So this is the about us page we have imported. So let's go to edit with Elementor. So this is the backend. Let's change this text about us to about me, and then change the background image to this one. And as we already created our about me section over there, so I just copy this element and paste over there. So this about me page is ready. So if you see this content is unnecessary, you can remove, or you can also add anything. So this section is unnecessary for me, so I'm going to delete that one. I also created this section here, so let's copy that section. First remove that section and click on right and paste. So this content is ready. Now let's click on publish and go back to view page. So this is the about me page. Now go back to service. You can add a detailed service over there, for example the price, the description. Let's change so that you can understand what I am trying to say. Just click on edit with Elementor. Let's change this title first. So instead of our, it will be my services, and I use the same images. Okay, so now it's a detailed service page. So as we already added the 3 services over there, I am going to copy this text and I'm going to change this as well. This one. You can also add any description or any price over there, and you can also change this button text. For example, I'm going to change the book as session. So now let's change this engagement and let's change this image. Same as that one, and the third one is couples photography. Let's change the image again. And change the text again here. So after make the changes, you have to just need to click on publish. So as you can see, this section is unnecessary for me. If you seems it's unnecessary, you can just click on delete button so that it will delete it. So after make the changes, just click on publish. And go back to view page. So as you can see, the services page is already done. Now let's edit the third page, which one contact. So this is the final page which we are gonna edit. So this is the contact page. The button we are using over there, we can link the button link over there so that people can get in touch with us. So let's edit that page. Click on edit with Elementor. So this is the backend, and now let's change the title. Instead of contact us, it should be contact me. And let's change the background image to that one so that all of them are the same. Now let's change this contact information. For example, I'm going to add my email. And change the phone number as per your needs, and you can also change the location. And for contact information, you can add the links over there. For example, Instagram, so that it will open your Instagram account. If you want to add any other social media, just click on add item, and you have to just change. For example, if you want to Skype, Telegram or Pinterest, any kind of social media, or you can also use the WhatsApp over there. You can paste your WhatsApp link over there. So after making the changes, you need to click on publish. So there is unnecessary section over there. I'm going to delete that one, so click on cross button, so it will be deleted. So after making the changes, just click on publish. Now your website is completely done. So this is the website we just created from scratch using a pre-made template. So I hope you guys like this video. So if you are a photographer and looking to build your portfolio or photography website, you can just message me. I will put my email in the video description so that we can start working together. So this is for today. I will back to next video. Take care. Bye bye.